Alright guys, so this is what I came up with. This is how they're going out the door. Okay, I went and I got the high temp silicone hosing, 30 millimeter, all the way up. It was on a 30 millimeter brass tube, about yay long. That's in here. One hose clamp on it to the rubber aluminum mount to the VM22 carb, and that's how it'll go. There is a B8HS NGK spark plug in there. This is the kind that does not degrade either. It is marine quality. And then I have a legit, it's a steel decompression valve in there. And it has the basic safe clutch so that the clutch system will work with one of these, so you don't have to worry about it slipping. It's got the high power CDI, and it has the high power magneto that's 12 volt. So anyways, that's where it's at. Ms460 on a YD100 bottom half. The piston has the roller needle bearing and all that in it, so that's where we're at. You need an exhaust. I mean, I got the studs in there if you want to mount up something. One thing to note on these, I mean, you could actually get the steel chainsaw exhaust and mount it on here, and it will completely miss everything because it vents out the sides. So that's an option if someone can't weld and stuff. It's all up to you, but that's where we're gonna go with that. This is really good. I went with this, I had it off of here, and it does clear, but it sits in the way a little bit, and I'm worried it's going to hit some frames the way people will mount them. So by doing this, it clears the frame, make sure the clutch arm has got a lot of clearance, and usually everyone puts an exhaust off that side anyways. So one thing to note on these, the VM22, I love this carb. It is not a mechanical choke, okay? So you guys can see, there is no choke mechanism in there. So if you give this throttle, this all works by suction. If you give this throttle when this choke is open, it will not start. It will flood this. So do not give it any throttle when you start with the choke on. As soon as it, you know, the choke is on and it's running, as soon as you hear it fire up, you can pull in the clutch, start it, and good to go. But anyways, with all that said, it is good to go. So one other thing to note too, guys, there's a rubber seal up on top of this, but you need this rubber seal on top to go around the cable, because this is all vacuum, this carb. So I put a cap on it. You can put whatever filter, however you're going to do that to fit your needs. But all in all, these are the engines. I've got 5 of these that are going out the door. I'm going to take PayPal for them. Basically, contact me. I'll put an email below, or in the comments, whatever. See if we get what we got. It's first come, first serve on the first 5 here. And once I get those out, everything good, we'll do another 5.